you follow the latest news of the day on Mark Haiti International.
Vous suivez les dernières nouvelles de la journée sur Mark Haiti International.
Vidéo là, eh bien, tout ça, Ayisyen ça, criminel ça, n'a regardé là dans l'écran, c'est un Ayisyen qui yon unité dans la police dominicaine arrêté monsieur. Il est cherché monsieur depuis hier. Et donc, monsieur son criminel. Monsieur touye 3 Haïtiens pareil. Ça passé et Baraona. OK, ça passé Baraona. Je nous regarder dans la vidéo là. Monsieur son criminel lié. Je nous regarder là manchette là nan il sacrifié 3 Haïtiens pareil. Eh bien rapide et unité qui se dit crime dans la police dominicaine, mettez la patte sur monsieur bien rapide.
Aquí estamos en la comunidad de La Malanga, que acabamos de agarrar a un moreno que mató uno en Caco. La policía de Polo, el teniente Aquino y el Cabo Peña. Aquí están en la comunidad de La Malanga. Acabamos de agarrar junto a Ricardo un delincuente que mató uno en la comunidad de Caco, de Paraíso. Y acabamos de capturarlo ahora mismo. Mírenlo ahí en están, por si acaso.
Un león que ha matado 3 ya.
Le ha matado 3.
Le preservamos su derecho.
Sí, no le preservamos su derecho, no le dimos golpe, no, está todo bien.
Y que cuente que me partió a mí. Que partió el teniente.
Ok, partió el teniente ayer anoche.
Sí, el cual le veníamos dando seguimiento de Polo.
Ok, ahí lo tienen.
South to the Caribbean. A judge in Haiti has charged the widow of murdered President Jovenel Moïse in connection with the assassination of the former leader. The 122-page document has charged Martine Moïse with conspiring with former Prime Minister Claude Joseph for killing President Moïse. The judge said that Martine killed her husband with the intent of becoming Haiti's next president. And as we see now, the plot has certainly thickened. Here's our report.
It was the 7th of July in the year 2021. Haiti's 43rd president, Jovenel Moïse, was enjoying the calm Caribbean breeze. Moïse was spending the afternoon at his residence in the capital city of Port-au-Prince. Perched on top of a hill, Moïse could see rows of houses from his presidential residence. In an instant, the Haitian president's world turned bloody. 28 armed gunmen stormed the residence. 7 of them entered the bedroom where President Jovenel Moïse and his wife Martine were resting. Moïse was attacked and punched before being shot 12 times. His wife Martine was shot in the arms and thighs. The attack lasted a few minutes. Haiti had lost its president. President Jovenel Moïse was dead. This sent Haiti into a state of shock. Massive protests erupted. Thousands filled the streets of Port-au-Prince. They demanded justice, and so did the dead president's wife Martine.
Hope that my husband will find justice. Every country that can help, please help, because the people that did that are still out there. And I don't know if their name will ever be out. But at some point, if they find the people that send the money, the people that financially help, I think that they will find the people that give the order. So I will have hope that Jovenel Moïse will have justice, and I won't stop asking for justice until justice is found.
Police officials sprung into action. 3 suspects were killed and at least 20 were arrested. Haiti officials said that most of the suspects were Colombian gang members. In addition, a Haitian businessman was sentenced to life for planning the assassination. It was almost a shut and sealed case until a judge issued an arrest warrant for Martine Moïse. Dead President Jovenel Moïse's case has been brought back to life. Now, a judge has accused his wife of planning the assassination. A 122-page document says that Martine Moïse worked with former Prime Minister Claude Joseph to kill her husband. The judge claims that Martine got her husband killed because she wanted to be the next president of Haiti. The prosecutor has ordered the arrest and trial of Martine and Claude Joseph. At least 50 other people have been named in the warrant. Martine Moïse and Claude Joseph have blamed the current administration and called the court's judgment a political play. Joseph says that the only person to benefit from President Jovenel Moïse's death was his successor, Ariel Henry. The former Prime Minister says that Henry is carrying out a political coup against Martin Moïse. Meanwhile, the judge says that the court works independently and is not influenced by the government. The case of the assassination of President Jovenel Moïse has taken an unusual twist. It has gotten murkier with no sight of justice. Haiti continues to suffer from gang violence, but the case of President Moïse had brought hope to the people. They thought the assassination would unite everyone against criminals. Instead, it has created political rifts. And now, a power struggle is out in the open. Will President Jovenel Moïse get justice? Or will this be another victory for gangs, mafia and criminals? Haiti demands answers.